Today, I share with you all this beautiful, delicious Nigerian vegan pie. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I'm going to start by making the filling. I just added a little bit of olive oil into the pan and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I go in with a little bit of onion and carrot. I'm going to add a tiny bit of water to the onion and the carrot just to soften the carrot a little bit. I stir everything together and I cover the pan and allow to steam together for a few minutes. Few minutes later, I came back to check on the carrot. I just stir it together nicely and I press on the carrot and it softened to my liking. I'll go ahead and add all my seasoning. I just added garlic paste, added thyme and black pepper, white pepper and some curry powder. And I go ahead and add salt and vegetable seasoning cube. And I add some chili pepper as well. You guys remember that we are making vegan pie. Everything that I'm using for this recipe is plant-based, alright? Once I add all my seasoning, I just go ahead, stir everything together until they are well combined. Added more onion and I added three colored pepper, which is the red, the green and the yellow one, and I added the cabbage. I'll go ahead and stir everything together until they are well combined. And you guys, this filling is so delicious and it's looking so colorful. Go and give it a try. You will not regret it. This particular vegetable, there are a lot you can do with it. I'm going to be sharing the recipe with you guys one after the other. Just subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. Once I add all the ingredients, I just cover it and allow to steam for 2 minutes. Nothing more than that. You don't want the vegetable to be cooked. You guys remember that we are making pie. We are still going to bake the pie in the oven with the veggies. So we want the veggies to be very crunchy. Once I stir everything together nicely, I just go ahead and remove it from the pot. And when you are removing it from the pan, you don't want water, alright? Try as much as you can to get rid of the water from the veggies. You don't want water in your vegetable, alright? As you guys can see, I didn't use any water to steam the veggies, alright? Veggies are full of water. When you steam it, you will definitely have water in it. All you need to do is just go ahead, take that water and strain it and set it aside, alright? Do not throw it, alright? We are going to use it for our pie, alright? And the reason why I steam the veggies is just that I just want to infuse flavor into the veggies, alright? So they can taste really well. I'm going to go ahead and mix the dough. Here I have my all-purpose flour, which I already sieved. I go in with some baking powder and some baking soda, a little bit of salt and some nutmeg. I'll go ahead and mix everything together until they are well combined. I will still leave the full ingredients in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. Once it's well combined, I just go ahead and add some vegetable oil and I'll keep mixing until they are well combined together. Added the sauce that we got from the veggies when we steamed the veggies, and you guys, this changed the game of this pie. Trust me guys, I go in with almond milk. Feel free to make use of any milk of your choice. Personally, I use cow milk, but for the sake of this recipe, I make use of almond milk. Once I add the milk, I keep mixing until they are well combined. The milk is not enough, I go in with water. I still have milk left over, but almond milk is not cheap. I want to use it to drink tea, alright? I just go in with water and I keep mixing till I achieve a smooth dough consistency, like so. As you guys can see, the dough is not too hard or too soft. I'm going to cover it and allow to rest for at least 30 minutes. This is about 45 minutes later. All I do, I just cut out some of the dough and I'm rolling it into a flat shape. Once I roll it into a very flat shape, I will go ahead and add my filling, alright? Feel free to make your pie into any shape of your choice. And when you're adding your veggies, please do not add water, alright? Because you guys know that the veggies will still have some water residue under it. Take your veggies from top so you don't add water. If you have water in your pie, it's not going to turn out. Trust me, it's not going to turn out nicely. Try as much as you can. You don't have water in your veggies, alright? I just roll it into this long shape and I'm going to take my pizza cutter and cut it into small shape, and that is it. Just go ahead, feel free to roll your pie into any shape of your choice. I'm still going to show you another two shape more that you can roll it, but at this stage it totally depends on you. This is another way you can roll it. Just roll it into one long shape and then you didn't cut it. You just leave it like that and you can still roll it into the shape of meat pie, alright? Just do you at this stage, alright? if you're 100% vegan, this part is optional, alright? You don't have to egg wash your pie. Just go ahead, put it in the oven. Your pie is going to turn out nicely and bake on a low heat, alright? And bake on 180 degrees Celsius for about an hour, and it turned out so beautiful. But personally, I am not vegan, alright? So I egg wash my pie. As I said, if you are vegan, skip this part, alright? As you guys can see, all the ingredients are plant-based apart from the egg, and the pie turned out so delicious. You guys, it looks so beautiful, and it tasted absolutely amazing. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.